Today I'm going to show you how to spot a salvage or a rebuild title. There are mainly two ways to spot if your vehicle has a salvage or a rebuild title. One is with the actual title. The title is going to have that listed on it in the front page. Or the other option is to use Carfax, AutoCheck, or any other VIN check website. For example, you might have a rebuild title and it doesn't show on the Carfax for whatever reason it is, or it doesn't come up immediately. Now on the title, it's gonna show Florida. You're gonna see it right here. It should have the word rebuild or salvage. I don't have titles from a different state, but here are a few examples. They all are gonna show it in the front page, and it's gonna be pretty bold. You're gonna see it. Those are the two ways that you can check for a rebuild or a salvage title.